Hull cleaning. At BEVALDIA, we understand the importance of keeping your vessel's hull in excellent condition. By utilizing the latest technology such as our brush cart system, we ensure that your vessel maintains optimal fuel efficiency and performance while also reducing operational costs. Our team of experienced professionals is trained to handle a wide range of vessels, providing tailored cleaning solutions that protect the integrity of the hull while removing all forms of biofouling. By choosing BEVALDIA, you not only improve your vessel's fuel economy, but also extend the longevity of its hull coating, ensuring long-term savings and fewer maintenance issues down the line. Hull cleaning with advanced brush cart system. Regular hull cleaning is crucial to maintaining vessel performance and reducing operational costs. Over time, marine growth such as algae, barnacles, and biofouling accumulates on the hull, increasing drag and fuel consumption. BEVALDIA specializes in delivering professional hull cleaning services using the advanced brush cart system. This method ensures thorough and efficient cleaning, preserving both efficiency and vessel performance. The brush cart system used by BEVALDIA is designed to adapt to the vessel's hull, gently removing all types of marine buildup without damaging the surface or coatings. This process ensures a complete clean, restoring the vessel's optimal condition and improving hydrodynamics. With reduced friction from the clean hull, vessels can enjoy significant fuel saving, lower emissions, and smoother voyages. Our system's precision also helps extend the lifespan of the vessel's coating, preventing premature wear and safeguarding against corrosion. Whether your vessel is part of the commercial fleet or is a small private boat, BEVALDIA offers scalable hull cleaning solutions tailored to your specific needs, keeping your vessel in top condition. Regular hull cleaning, a smart investment for vessel owners. Frequent hull cleaning should be a priority for every vessel owner. Over time, marine buildup can significantly degrade your vessel's efficiency, resulting in higher fuel costs and slower transit times. BEVALDIA's brush cart system offers a proactive solution, helping you maintain your vessel's performance and avoid costly repairs due to corrosion or fouling. By partnering with BEVALDIA, you ensure that your vessel operates at peak performance, benefits from reducing drag, enhanced speed, and optimal fuel consumption. Make hull cleaning with BEVALDIA an essential part of your vessel's maintenance program and experience the long-term benefits firsthand. Call us 24/7 at 30 210 400 1120 or 30 210 400 4470. Send us an email at info@bevaldia.com or visit our website bevaldia.com.